So how you doing? Hey, today we're going to work at taking down that leaner that I keep mentioning. So that's our agenda today. The sun's right there too. But there she is, leaning all the way out there. We're going to have to clean up that debris and then get in there and get her dropped. We're going to do a bore cut on it. I'm not the best bore cutter, just to give you a heads up. So what I'm going to do is, I know I'm not the best. The issue is my aim getting through. I have a tendency to go a little lower, a little high. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it a little high on the stump, and it will help me with my aim getting it through, you know what I mean? So if you see that stump being a little high, that's just to help me, get my aim right. But that's what we're going after. I'm going to get in there, work clean up that debris, and get herself a little path made and get her dropped. Alrighty. Now the saw we're going to run here is a Homelite XL-400. Nothing special. She's completely stock. The chain is very tamed down, not very aggressive. You don't want an aggressive chain on a bore cut. So if you watch my videos about sharpening and making your chains cut better and everything, you want to kind of ignore some of that if you're bore cutting. It doesn't work when you're bore cutting. It just gets a little too chattery up at the nose. So this saw cuts pretty smooth at the nose, so that's what we're going to use. Now, one disadvantage we have is this saw does not have felling spikes. So I'm going to have to work it a little bit to get it through the cut. So don't be surprised if this takes a little while, because this tree is probably 28 or so at the base, and that bar is not long enough. So don't be surprised if she takes a little while to get this dropped. Alrighty. Well, there she is. She's on the ground. That was pretty cool, wasn't it? Here's the stump. That's what she looks like. A little bit more meat on this side, as you can see, opposite of where the weight was. And you can see she held on right up to the last little bit. That's it. She's on the ground. We're good to go. We're ready to cut some wood now. Now, the old XL-400, she wasn't running perfectly. Didn't have any spikes or nothing, but we got the job done, you know? So, hey, I'm happy. She's on the ground. We got some firewood to work. So, you know what I mean? It's a good day. We just got company, can you tell? But look at this. That was all intertangled with that oak. And that oak pulled right through it. I just didn't want to stand under it, you know? I don't want to be anywhere near it whenever that thing went. She'd create a good headache, if you know what I mean. But we got company. Grandparents are here. So let's go take care of our company, you know what I mean? We're going to have some meatballs. So, alrighty. Now, we'll put the firewood work on another video. Muffler Delete is actually on his way here right now. So we're probably going to tear into this tree. I think he's bringing a 660. I think he's got something on alcohol or two. So yeah, we're going to have some fun. But she's going to be a good firewood tree, I'll tell you that. So hey, we'll catch you on the next one. Later.